Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mike Unhinged. My name is Mike. I will be showing you today how to remove your airbag for relatively all F80s, M3s. What you're going to want to do first step is go ahead and go to your rear battery, which is in the trunk. And then once you go ahead and disconnect it, you're going to want to go straight to this little hole that's back here. If I can show you, there you go. I'm going to be using a T20, just any screwdriver about this size, right? And then you're going to want to feel around in there for a little pin. I've already took the liberty to remove mine so that I can show you guys exactly which pins you're going to be locating. So basically what you're going to be looking for is these two pins right here, right? There's one on the left and one on the right. So basically what you want to do is once you stick it in, this is what you're going to be looking at. Once you start messing around with that and it's off, which is kind of what it looks like now, you're going to go ahead and you're going to press on this little tab right here, and then it pulls right out. Yeah, you're just putting your new one. I'm just doing this for informational purposes. I hope this helped you out in any way. Like and subscribe, guys. Let's go.